sa totoo lang, ang isang iniisip ko lang na magiging positive impact ng ating transparency strategy is also to create awareness, no? And to prepare the Filipino people in the upcoming 2025 election, even the 2028 national election. No? Para sa akin, ang ginagawa natin na to na pag-expose ng illegal actions ng China, aggressive behavior, it allows and prepares the Filipino voters na mag-isip, no? Sino ba ang iupo natin ulit sa Senado, for example, by 2025? Ito dapat ang mga senador na hindi nagque-question ng mga media personalities mismo na should have been considered as truth tellers in amplifying our narrative in the West Philippine Sea.